Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to all audiences. In this great change, I like to thank God Allah Subhanahu wa Taala for this season. So we can meet in a very good condition in order to attend this wonderful event that is English speech competition. Then I want to send my grateful to all people in this school. Khalisat Senior High School or Semangkal, who has held a great program and has given us the chance to join this event. Further, let me introduce myself. My name is Eliana Sabina Autofunisa. I come from Redokombo. I am a student of SMPN 1 Redokombo in grade 8. And the topic of my speech today is kindness is the new tool, the importance of empathy and respect. Dear audiences, kindness is the best thing to make better life. Kindness is mean the quality of being friendly, generous, and considerate. That's right if we say kindness is the new power or style in this era as it has been held from the past time. While empathy is mean ability to understand and share the feelings of another. On the other hand, respect is the feeling of deep admiration for someone or something elicited by their abilities, qualities, or achievement. Dear audiences, the next question is what the importance of empathy and respect? Because kindness includes considerate or careful not to cause inconvenience in others to careful to include that of inconvenient or hurt to others. We can take some advantage. Of course, as follow. 1. Applying kindness, especially empathy, can handle the smooth and mostly communication among others. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.